Welcome to DMC's Media Skills for the Real World. This is your channel for practical training, tutorials, and knowledge that prepares you for real job sites. Today, we're diving into skid steer loader safety and operations tutorial. Whether you're brand new or refreshing your skills, this guide will take you step by step through inspections, safe operation, and environmental awareness. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most versatile machines on any job site, the skid steer loader. Whether you're brand new, brushing up your skills, or supervising others, this video will cover everything you need: safety, operating basics, common job site hazards, and even environmental responsibilities. Stick around until the end. We'll wrap up with a 10-question quiz your self-test to check your knowledge. Let's get into it. Safety is non-negotiable. Let's break down what safe operation looks like step by step. PPE, hard hat, steel-toe boots, gloves, high-visibility vest, hearing protection if working long hours, pre-operation inspection, fluids, oil, coolant, hydraulic, tires or tracks for wear, hoses for leaks, safety bar and seatbelt, mounting the cab. Always use the 3 points of contact rule. Never jump down. Slips and falls are one of the top job site injuries. Inside the cab, seatbelt on, safety bar down, no passengers ever. Skipping these steps might save a minute, but it can cost your life. Once you're strapped in, let's cover the controls and operating habits that keep you efficient and safe. Controls: left joystick, travel, forward, reverse, turns. Right joystick, lift arms, tilt bucket. Travel tips: always keep the bucket low while driving. Slow down on slopes and uneven terrain. Never exceed the rated operating capacity. Check your machine's specs. Work habits: plan your route before moving. Use smooth, steady motions, not jerky controls. Signal with horn or hand gestures when working around others. Practice. If you're new, find an open lot or training yard first. Load, lift, dump, repeat. Confidence comes with practice, not rushing. Now let's talk about the dangers every operator must watch for. Rollovers, caused by fast turns, uneven ground, or loads carried too high. Always travel straight up and down slopes, never sideways. Pinch points and crush zones. Never stand between loader arms and the frame. Keep bystanders away during operation. Bypass starting. Never start the skid steer from outside the cab. Operators have been crushed when machines jump into gear. Overloading, respect the rated operating capacity, ROC. Overloaded machines tip forward or damage hydraulics. Pedestrians. Ground workers must maintain eye contact or stay clear. As the operator, you stop if someone steps into your path. Being a good operator isn't just about safety, it's also about protecting the job site and the environment. Spills, fuel, or hydraulic fluid can contaminate soil. Stop operation, report the spill, and clean it immediately. Dust control. Use water trucks or sprayers on dry days. Protect nearby communities from dust clouds. Noise. Skid steers are loud hearing protection. Be mindful near schools, hospitals, or residential areas. Wildlife and ecosystems. Stay clear of streams and wetlands. Don't rut or erode soil unnecessarily. Waste management. Dispose of fluids, filters, and worn parts at approved facilities. Alright, time for your knowledge check. I'll give you 10 questions. Pause the video if you need more time, then we'll reveal the answers. What's the proper way to enter and exit the cab? Name 3 PPE items required before operation. Why should you keep the bucket low while traveling? What's the rated operating capacity, ROC? How should you travel on a slope? Name 1 hazard caused by standing near loader arms. Why is bypass starting dangerous? What should you do if you see a hydraulic fluid leak? How can you reduce dust on a dry job site? Why is noise control important on and off the site? 3 points of contact rule: hard hat, boots, gloves, vest, hearing protection. Stability prevents tipovers. Maximum safe load capacity of the machine. Straight up or down, never sideways. Crush hazard or pinch point. Machines can lurch into gear and crush operator. Stop, report, clean up spill properly. Use water trucks or dust suppression methods. Protects worker health. Prevents community complaints. Thanks for watching this skid steer loader safety and operations tutorial, brought to you by DMC's Media Skills for the Real World. If this video helps you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our latest training videos. Tell us in the comments what machine or skill you'd like to see next. And always remember, safety first, productivity second. We'll see you in the next video.